You don't need Siri to figure out how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, y'all. All right. Without hitting my camera, I would like for you to take your works of art, crumple them up, and toss them. And so everybody should end up with, yep, you know what to do. Go ahead and throw them. You get a new one, go ahead and throw it again. We want this to be totally anonymous. Go ahead, toss them around.
Oh my God.
All right, we've got a bunch over here. All right, go ahead and unfold whatever one you have. Looks like some people have started doing that. Anybody need one? All right, yeah, there's a bunch in the middle here. Oh, intercepted. Sorry, guys, there's some under the tables. I'm sorry. There's some in the lights. There's some, yeah, shh. Yeah. Do I have any drama majors? Maybe somebody who participated in theater? No? Do I have anybody who's super confident and doesn't mind being on YouTube?
Oh no.
Because I have like 3.5 followers. You have to read the essay that you have. Anybody got one? Anybody comfortable? We're already recording. You can't leave me hanging, guys. Somebody's got to stand up here.
We have to be like...
You just got to read it. You just got to read it. You just got to read it. All right. Here comes Madisyn. Oh, well, you don't have a paper, though. All right. So we have Madisyn. Let's see. I think we need to be like over here or something like that. All right. Go ahead and read it.
Okay.
Read it loud.
When making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you need a couple of ingredients. You need 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, any jelly, whichever you prefer, a knife, a plate, and a toaster. To begin making the sandwich, you put the 2 bread slices in the toaster. You toast your bread until it's ready for you. You then take a knife and grab the peanut butter. You use a good amount of peanut butter and put it into the bread. Then you use a knife to put jelly on the other slice of bread. Once you complete that, you combine both bread slices. Then you're complete your peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Ready? Yep, you got to stay up here. You have to instruct me.
I'll do that part.
Now, we ain't got a toaster.
Oh, this is
Great jelly.
But we have some basic food service knowledge here. All right, so toaster aside, we don't have the toaster. We could have a debate about whether peanut butter and jelly should be toasted. However, I haven't tried this, but has anybody ever made a grilled peanut butter and jelly? I hear that's where it's at. Anybody? You don't like jelly. Okay. All right, guys. On a for real note, we're cracking open the peanut butter, so if anybody has an allergy, now is the time to get your EpiPen out. All right. Or I'm not going to tell a student to leave.
Great jelly.
All right.
All right. You need 2 slices of bread. Let's go with white.
What does it say that? No. It doesn't say that. Everybody.
One of each.
Well, I don't know. I have the book.
And you get the top piece.
Well, I don't know. Everybody likes crust, right?
Do I have to hold this?
Well, yeah, you have to.
Hey, bread, whatever.
Bread's bread. Don't matter. White bread.
It says bread. We've got wheat. And we've got white.
White.
All right. We've got the crusts. What now? We have 2 slices of bread. Okay. Well, we have crunchy
Creamy.
and creamy. Does it say which one? No.
Creamy.
Well, we didn't know we were gonna eat sandwiches.
Okay.
And then any jelly. Whichever
Grape.
Any jelly. Well, we have strawberry preserves, and we have Concord grape jam. Do those count as jelly? Are we sure?
Go ahead.
It's not a mineral, so.
Okay.
It didn't say peanut butter and jam, can it?
Well, this is what we got. We got to work with what we got, man.
A knife,
A knife. We've got one of those.
a plate,
A plate.
and a toaster.
We're gonna have to improvise. Let's pretend we have a toaster.
Okay, to begin making a sandwich, you put the 2 bread slices in the toaster. Okay. Then you take the knife,
What's the end of the bread?
grab your peanut butter. Use a good amount of peanut butter.
Where?
Put it onto the bread.
Put it onto the bread.
That's what we're saying.
I grabbed the peanut butter. I grabbed it. You saw me. Maybe
I
it's
put
this
mine,
one.
grab a knife and spread it.
Now I said put the knife in the peanut butter.
But it didn't say that. It said take the knife, right?
It's not up there.
I'm not saying it is. Let's see here. Use a good amount of peanut butter and put into the bread. We have to get it in the bread?
I don't know who wrote this, so I answered that.
So it does say then you use a knife to put jelly on the other slice of bread. So I think that if this person wanted me to use the knife on the peanut butter, they would have said it, right? So I guess.
There you go, there you go.
Is this a good amount of peanut butter?
Yeah.
How do I know? I don't know. Should I use the whole jar?
Yeah.
Yeah, do like that. The other side.
It doesn't say.
It doesn't say, but I have to put it into the bread. So I guess I have to make a
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
Then you use a knife to put jelly on the other slice of bread. Well, this is complicated, but okay. Okay, so we have grape and strawberry, whichever we prefer. Well, I like grape. I do like grape, but we can go with strawberry. So I'm using the knife for the strawberry, and I'm putting it. Is it on or in the bread?
On.
On the other slice. That's useful to know because that would have gotten real messy real quick. All right, so it's on the bread. Do I have to spread it out?
Once you complete that, you combine
Oh,
both breads.
I spread. Is that okay?
I guess it didn't say, so
It doesn't
no.
say. Okay. Once you complete that, you combine both bread slices.
The sandwich probably still being.
You then complete your peanut butter.
This is delicious.
$5 get $5. I got $5 on me like that. I got $2.
No eating in the classrooms, y'all.
There you go, Professor.
You
No, I
want?
got $2 on me. Can I follow?
I'm getting a subscriber for this. Okay. So other than the fact that there's peanut butter on my face, thank you, Madison. You're relieved of your duties. What did we learn? When we write an essay,
Give exact directions.
you have to be specific, you have to be detailed. Because the thing is that when I'm reading your essays, right, I know you know how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, right? But when I'm grading your essays, you gotta prove it, right? And if you are not detailed, if you are not specific, I don't know if you know it or not, right? So please, on the next exam, let's remember all of this nonsense and include those details, right?